Hi and welcome, Martina here with another sparkle and shine video for WOW embossing powders. As I have been doing very much mixed media project lately, I felt the need of a clean, simple, easy, but still fun, sparkly and shine project. And this is what we're going to do today. I have my magical powders and I am dipping a damp, flat brush into my powder and just stroke the powder over my paper, and I'm coloring the paper like this. You could do this with sprays, with watercolors, with acrylic paint, anything you like. Just color your paper in the colors you want to have your papers. I am using the Magicals Shabby Turbine Teal and Dippedo Teal. I think they work just perfectly fine for the idea I have in mind. I have this absolutely beautiful Alexandra Renke leafy wreath die, and I'm going to cut this from cardstock, which is prepared with double-sided adhesive tape. I always use the Elizabeth Crafts brand, which I think is the best I have ever had in hand. And I'm just peeling off the cover tape, the cover sheet, and pouring Mahi Earth Sparkles over it. This is the quickest and easiest way to add color to your die cuts and especially add sparkle without creating a mess. In the meantime, my papers were dry too, so I went and cut them just with the same die cut as I cut my double-sided adhesive tape pieces. And now the fun begins because I am using the bluer leaf wreath and I am covering all the foliage and the wreath with my WOW embossing ink, and then I'm pouring the WOW green pearl over it. One of the two colors I've been using to color my papers is slightly more bluish than I wanted to have it for my wreath. So I just, took the opportunity and used the green pearl to have a translucent but slight shift in the color of the paper I'm using. And I think this works just perfectly fine with the other paper, which is plain magical, which is shimmery on the paper, and the other paper, which is pure sparkles in Mahi. So I think these three colors complement each other very well. And as this will be a clean and simple card, I can already start to build the card. And the first step is adding my 3 wreaths to one big bulky wreath, which I can then build up by just gluing in the leaves. I have cut that part out because I think this is pretty boring to just see me adding glue to the ends of leaves and putting them into a wreath. But I will add a big word die. This is also an Alexandra Renke one, and it's hope. And I have cut 3 of these hope words from regular cardstock. I'm gluing them together, stacking them on top of each other to have a really sturdy, outstanding centerpiece for my wreath. And then I will be dipping the whole word into my WOW embossing ink and then pouring vanilla lustre over it. This is just the perfect powder to add a special something, but not too much to a die cut. I absolutely love it for elegant cards, for wedding cards. Yeah, it's one of these staple powders, which I absolutely love. And then I will be gluing the hope into the center of my wreath. Make sure it's somehow straight-ish because I am really bad at putting things into a good angle just by measuring by eye. And then, as really already my last touch, I'm adding some Renke crystals. These are called teardrops to my card, and I am done. I absolutely love how it ended up. I had so much fun creating it, and I love how easy and simple it was to do. I hope you liked the process as much as I did, and I wish you a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.